In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request an Uber with a car seat. Whether you're traveling with a child or simply need to ensure all the bases are covered for a safe journey, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Firstly, open the Uber Eats app or go to the official website. While this might seem like it's only for food delivery, Uber incorporates multiple services under the same platform, making access seamless. Once you're on the website, you'll notice three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. This is commonly known as the hamburger menu. Clicking this menu reveals a variety of options and services offered by Uber. After you've opened the menu, look for the Get a Ride option. This is where Uber's ride-hailing service comes into play and will take you to where you can request a vehicle for transportation. Click on it and you'll be redirected to the area where you can enter the details for your ride. Now it's time to enter your current location and your destination. This step is fairly straightforward. However, ensure that you enter the correct addresses to avoid any issues during your trip. When you do this, the app will show you different ride options, including those that offer car seats. Once you've filled in the destination details, review the available car options. Among them, look for the option titled Uber Car Seat, or simply select a car that specifies it has a car seat. This feature is crucial for anyone traveling with a child in need of a car seat, as safety should always be a top priority. Now, let's quickly recap some essential tips. Always double-check the number of car seats available and their sizes to ensure they fit your child's requirements. If you're unsure, Uber support is just a message away, and they can assist you with any further specifications. After selecting your ride, make sure to verify all the ride details, including the fare estimate and any additional charges related to requesting a car seat. Uber's platform is great at providing visibility into cost upfront, so you shouldn't encounter any surprises. Once everything looks good, simply confirm your ride, and you're all set for a safe and enjoyable journey with your little one. And there you have it, a quick, comprehensive guide to requesting an Uber with a car seat. It's straightforward and ensures that your transportation needs, as well as your child's safety, are easily met. Thanks for following along and safe travels.